for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, CD player, electronic stability control, security system, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, remote keyless entry, day and night rear view mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.